what you will get in my course. As I said, starting point. So these are like PowerPoints. Every session you will have a PowerPoint, and these PowerPoints are converted into the PDFs and will give it to you. And this will become your basic reading material, and then practice guides. So as we are in the remote basis, we may not have direct contact. So after the class, if you are practicing and if you get some doubt, there will be no one be there to help you out to solve this problem. I created practice guides. Again, I need to convert this into the PDFs. So I'll do that, and I will share these PDFs to you. Time being, I will share you in. I will share you this notepads for you to practice. Sample notepad is this. So I will provide you step by step approach, even including a small point. So after completing our sessions, you can go and do practice by seeing the session. Okay, so that is how you are comfortable in practicing as well. And these videos will be recorded and will share with you on the YouTube. So this is only for private mode. Those who have registered for my course, they only get it. So what happened to this? Sign in. Oops. Why this account is not eligible to use YouTube? What the hell? Girish, can you check? Are you able to open my YouTube or not? Your Google Express limited access is temporary. Oops. I think this is the one. Are you able to access? I think I have logged into my personal user. Okay, no problem. So you will get the class sessions in the YouTube, and then apart from that, you will get an lifetime access to my course. You can pay once and you can take any number of retakes. And end-to-end project at the end of the sessions, I will share you two projects at the end of our sessions to practice. And with our course, if you follow my material in the PDF and as well as um, and these practice guides and the given projects, if you practice these things, you will comfortably clear the interviews. You will comfortably go and work on the projects without any hesitation. What you need to do is you need to put your efforts in learning the content. So end-to-end projects, two projects for the practice. So, and even in our course, we will develop a small example and we will try to convert that into a small project with the industry standards, how industry will develop the projects using the mule. So with our training, anyone can easily clear the certification as well. And optional things you will get is resume preparation. If you approach me after the session to help out in the resume, I will help you out. And then mock interviews, if you are preparing for the interviews and then you are before you going to interview, if you ask me to take a mock interview, I will take a mock interview. And if you need someone from an industry and if you want his help to get an interview, uh, even I will help you out on that, but that is an with star condition. So so whoever wants to claim experience on the mule and you want to get a job, you will get a special guidance if you approach me. But as a trainer, what I will practice is still this point. What I will promise you is still this point. So depending on my availability, if you approach me, I will help you on these points as well. Okay, so that's all about the training. So I'm stopping the recording here.